These are the lifts at Bournemouth Library.
To the right.
Oh, on the inside. Well, this is. Oh, nice.
Okay, so you've got 0, 1 or 2.
Can I get it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, thank you.
0, 1 or 2.
Which one do you want? Mm-hmm.
1,
Okay.
please.
Is there a door close? And is this then?
Curti lifts.
Ah, it was different than. All glass doors as well.
How things go. Right, let's step back.
They're at 1.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh, it opens that side.
So you go there.
Uh-huh. It would all close if there
That's
is.
all right, yeah. All right.
Door closes. I think it's hydraulic.
Cold room.
Here we are.
Well, car park. And the pool.
This is nice.
This is the quiet zone.
Let's see if we can see it. It looked like there were 2 lifts right next to each other.
Before you start.
Hmm? Hmm?
Just wait for it to close.
If it will.
Yeah, sure. Don't stop it.
There we go.
Nice. Don't stop it. Oh, this way.
Oh, it's. Mm.
Everything's moving on again. Right, come this way.
That was
It's the
interesting.
other lift, but there's no lift there. So look down. You'll be sick.
They must have taken that out.
Well, no, the lift's at the bottom.
Oh.
If you press it, watch it come up.
Might have to send that other one
No,
down.
it's fine.
I know, we're on separate controllers, I think. Here it is. Stand back just in case. We can maybe go down this one. Ooh, this looks bigger.
No, it's the same. So it's 1.
Is there a door closed or not?
Yeah, let's just hang around.
There we go. See if we can watch out this side. Here we are. And that opens this side. Nice. Hmm?
Here we go.
Is this where we came in or not?
This is the first one.
Oh yeah.
Load jigsaw in there. That's cool.
That seems to take ages to close.
That's good, isn't it?
And really slow to start on the way up.
That's it.
And cut.